Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your work address in the Citymove application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the work address button. So you can type your work address, or you can choose it from the map. So if you just scroll through the streets, you can set the little blue icon to your workplace, and if you found it, just click on the choose this location button and your work address has been set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.